Churachandpur district ki manung channa BEHIANG village da India madi Myanmar ngamkhai paring da sambal khaba ki thabak chathariba si yaroi free movement regime lauthokpa asima ngamkhai paring da leiriba furup singi culture lalol itek amadi connectivity kaknaba honaba thaurang ni haina ZOU civil society organization na thamlakli ZOU CSO singi mihut kangbu mana BEHIANG village da chatuna mafam aduda ngamkhai sambal khaba ki thabak chathariba si yaroi haina protest tauki ZOU CSO singi mihut sing aduna Border Road Task Force, Assam Rifles, local leader amadi BEHIANG village chief ka unaduna ngamkhai sambal khariba dugi matangda makhoi da leiriba nungaitaba sing adu fongdokhi mihut sing adugi matung inna ngamkhai paring da leiriba lam sing asi makhoi gi mapa mapu sing na ngak tuna thambirambani masi ikai khumna fam thoi maramasana mafam asigi miyam CSO sing amadi BEHIANG area chief association ga hanana ningthina wa khanaba tawdana ngamkhai sambal khaba yaroi mari leinaba authority na makhoi gi khongthang asi amuk hanna khanthabiu hairakli loinana free movement regime lauthokiba sima kumjali singani tara mari dagi haukiba act is policy gi mayokta thabak tawbaga manai haina su thamlakli
Scrapping of FMR and the border construction work, which were scheduled to be started in Nagaland and Mizoram, had not been started and they were ceased to work. And the long border line forming with the Myanmar and Northeast India, we can only witness the construction of border fencing in our area, which had come to the conclusion that there is a high apprehension of Meitei-centric government involvement in this construction work. And if this continue, we will be fighting with tooth and nail to stop all the construction. And if the situation requires, we may be forced to use brute force to stop all this illegal construction in our land.